Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to change your email address in Wix account. First, go to wix.com and then sign in to your account. Click on your profile picture at the top right hand and then click Account Settings. Now edit account email and then enter your current Wix password. After that, enter the new email address that you want to use for Wix login. Re-enter your email address. Click Next. Now check your email for the verification code that has been sent in your old email. Enter the code and submit. Your Wix email account has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.